So let me know if this sounds like you. You found out about dropshipping for the first time because you saw some videos on TikTok or Instagram of some teenagers flexing their Lambos, their millions of dollars, and you're like, I think I could do this too. So you went ahead, you started your dropshipping business, started testing some products, and after a few weeks, you got no sales on your store, and you're thinking to yourself, man, this isn't as easy as what people are making it out to be. Now, once that happens, that's when you started to doubt yourself, you started to have some uncertainty, and you just didn't have the patience that it takes to be able to see some success in this business model. And that's why 99% of people fail, is because they quit before they actually see any results. So in this video, I want to deep dive into the reasons why beginners fail when they get into the dropshipping space. And I also want to give you some actionable advice that you can take and implement into your dropshipping businesses. So if that sounds good to you, I highly recommend that you stay to the end of this video, because I know for a fact that is going to be extremely valuable to you. So like the video, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and let's get right into it. So the first thing that beginners struggle with when they're getting into the dropshipping space is finding winning products. Now, choosing the wrong products can be a fatal mistake, and most dropshippers pick products that have high competition, low profit margins, and just little demand. It's absolutely crucial that you do proper market research before you test any product to make sure that you can validate that it's a product worth testing. But just blindly coming to AliExpress and just choosing one of these products just doesn't make any sense, because you don't know if the product is working for a competitor. You haven't looked up to see if that product actually is being searched for currently. And all in all, you're just choosing a product that you like or that you think would sell. You don't need to reinvent the wheel when it comes to dropshipping. You need to find a product that's already working for other people and then just make it better, okay? And I'm gonna show you exactly how to go about this. So if I was trying to quickly validate a product and see if it's something that I wanted to sell, I would first come over to Google Trends and see exactly what the world is searching for right now. So I would type in something like bathing suits, since we're in the summer season. Click on Explore. What that's gonna do is show you the interest over time. And what I like to do is just come over to the past day and switch it over to the past 5 years. And the reason why I do this is because I want to see more data of this. I don't want to just see only in the first year. I want to see how this product or how these types of products are doing over a 5-year span. Because if I see consistency, that means that this product can still sell, okay? So what you can see here is right with June, you can see it starts to decline as the summer gets over, and then it starts to pick up again as that spring season starts to come. As you can see, March 22nd, 2020, and as we're going into the summer seasons, it starts to increase. So if I wanted to sell bathing suits, for example, I would need to be selling this product starting probably May-ish going into June. And if you come to 2021 now, as you can see, it's the exact same thing. March again, it's starting to peak. April stayed pretty consistent, and then it jumps back up May going into June. Another thing that beginners struggle with when it comes to marketing is actually making high converting ad creatives for the products that they want to test. So majority of beginners will just steal a video off of AliExpress or steal something from another competitor and try to run it for themselves. Now, the problem with that is that Facebook, TikTok, and these other ad platforms know when you're stealing content, and everything comes down to a bid. Whoever's spending the most money on the platform is going to win the bid. And when you don't do that and you run someone else's ads, what you're doing is telling TikTok that you're not a legit shop, and they're not going to reward you for that. So what do you do in this situation? You need to get some high converting ad creatives, and the company that I use to do this for years now is a company called Ecom Ads. Now, Ecom Ads is the sponsor of today's video, but man, they have been hooking me up and helping me with my video ads since I got started with dropshipping. Now, this is their actual website, and they have so many different packages that you can purchase. They have, packages for Meta, TikTok, Snapchat, you name it, they got it. They also have a ton of reviews down here, so you can check out all the case studies of other dropshippers using their services and getting tons of sales on their dropshipping businesses. Now, personally, I get this TikTok ad split testing package. This allows me to get 3 separate videos for my one product. So I'm gonna get 3 videos with 3 different hooks. And that's what you really want when you're trying to test a product for the first time. You need multiple different variations. But I also highly recommend that you add step 2 and step 3. Step 2 is gonna give you the TikTok text. So they'll script the videos already for you, so that way you don't have to do anything for that. And then also step 3 is gonna give you the voiceover. So that way you can have either a male or female voice on these videos. So once you go ahead and purchase, you're gonna have to submit a submission form. Don't forget to do that, it's very important. So just come to the top, click on video ads, and then video ad submission form. And this is where you're gonna tell Ecom Ads exactly what you want inside your video. So make sure you fill this out. It's important that you make sure you include your AliExpress link to your product so they know exactly what product you're selling. Upload your logo, any other additional details, and you're good to go. So if you want to get some ad creatives made for your dropshipping business, then I highly recommend Viral Ecom Ads. I'll be sure to leave a link at the top of the description. They're actually hooking you guys up and giving you 15% off of anything that you purchase. So the next thing that I do is I come over to TikTok to see if there's actual demand for the product, if there's actual videos that are going viral currently, okay? So what I did is I typed in tan through bathing suits, and I've been dropshipping for a while, so I saw this product before I made this video, okay? And this product basically allows you to be able to get a tan through your bathing suit. So women don't have to feel insecure, they don't have to feel weird about pulling down their bra and trying to get an even tan, okay? You can tan right through it. And there are a ton of videos right now, as you can see, 188,000, 105,000, a couple at the top, 172,000, 300,000. Videos are going viral for this product. And one thing that I look for is a product that has a lot of content, okay? If you have a lot of content, it makes your life so much easier for you to be able to advertise. So now that we know that there's a demand, we've seen that there's actual views for these products, what I would do is I would go through to some of these. Some of these look like companies, as you can see right here. If I click on this one, this looks like a company. Maybe I'll go to their website, check out exactly what they're doing. And then what I'll do is I'll get about 5 to 10 different competitors, if there are that many, and I'll put them into a sales tracker. Now I'm putting these into a sales tracker because I'm able to see now if these competitors are actually making money with the product. If I see that they're not making any money with their Shopify store, then I know, okay, this product isn't selling, and I move on to the next one. So that right there is a simple framework that you can use whenever you're deciding whether or not a product is worth testing or not, okay? And quick disclaimer, I just wanna say this. Again, you don't have to find this brand new product that nobody knows about or sold before. Just find something that's already working, has a competitor that's selling it profitably, make it better, and run with it. Now, the second thing that I see so many beginners struggle with, and it's the reason why they fail, is because they do not understand online advertising, meaning they have no clue how to properly market their product. And we just went over how to choose the right product, but at the end of the day, the product is not going to sell itself, and you have to be a good marketer so that way you know how to advertise a product better than your competition. Now, this company right here is a great example. This company's called Manscaped, and what they sell, or what they originally started selling, is this trimmer right here. Now, they could have just came out with this product and said, hey, you could start, fading your hair with it, whatever the case may be, but they actually took a different way of marketing it, which is called a marketing angle. They took the marketing angle of, we're going to target people who want a solution for their body hair and groin hair, and we're going to make the product waterproof so that way you can bring it into the shower. And that's how you take a product that was already existing, because trimmers have been around for years now. There's nothing different about the trimmer. It cuts hair. But the way that they marketed it in a different way is how they're really able to stand out. And a lot of their marketing is extremely edgy, okay? And you can do some research if you want to look that up. But this is a great example and something that you should take when you're starting your e-commerce business. Now, the last thing that I want to touch on when it comes to marketing is how to create a better offer, okay? So not only is your ad creatives important, the product that you choose is important, but also the offer that you're running. It runs as a trifecta. Your product, your ads, and your offer. So some examples of some bad offers is 50% off plus free shipping. Now, I know that sounds crazy to say, but every dropshipper and their mother uses that exact same offer. And I feel like customers are starting to become more immune to it, because let's just say, for example, you have a product for, that has a compare price at $100 and you're selling it for $49.99. Customers can put 2 and 2 together and be like, there's no way that product was originally $100. So it doesn't really make sense. So make sure that your offer actually makes sense with the product that you're selling. So examples of good offers would be a buy one, get one free, a free gift with every purchase, a PDF with any purchase. Now, all of these offers are offers that give an incentive to the customer to purchase, because they're like, okay, well, this company's only offering me the product, but you're going to offer me a free gift or a PDF or something like that. So you're making your product and your brand have more perceived value because you're offering more things to the customer. Now, the final thing that I want to talk about in this video, and this is probably the biggest reason why beginners fail, is because they have a terrible mindset. Now, I can speak on this because I talk to aspiring entrepreneurs each and every single day that want to work with me personally, and they all say the same thing. They're all like wanting results tomorrow, but they have no experience at all. And that's the crazy part. It's like, you just started dropshipping last week. You have no clue how to do anything. You don't know how to make a high converting store. You don't know how to make high converting ads or any of this, but you're expecting a profit by next week. Like, that makes no sense to me. But to be honest, I feel like it comes also down to your passion and how bad you really want it. Because For me, I actually love marketing. I actually enjoy branding, right? So if I didn't want to be a business owner, these are things that I probably would do on a day-to-day basis for the rest of my life because I actually do enjoy it. So when I'm doing dropshipping and I'm making a new store or I'm doing X, Y, and Z, I'm actually enjoying the process, not just thinking about the rewards that come with it. So the biggest piece of advice that I can give you is to just learn to enjoy the process, but also at the same time, learn how to fail forward and be okay with failures, because at the end of the day, a failure means that also you can take something from that and learn something from your failures. Because as an entrepreneur, you need to become a professional at putting out fires, because you're going to have different fires each and every single day. You're going to have chargebacks. You're going to have problems with suppliers. You're going to have ad accounts shut down and so much more. And if you let that beat you down, you're going to end up giving up. And one more thing that I just thought of, make sure you're focusing on the right outputs each and every single day, because that's the only way that you're going to reach your goals. A lot of beginners focus on things that are minute and things that don't move the needle. So what are some things that don't move the needle? Creating a logo for 3 hours, choosing the right color of your store for 3 hours. Okay, these are all things that are not going to help you. You'll feel like you're doing something, but you're really not. So some tasks that I would work on each and every single day is product research, creating better product pages, testing new products, creating new ad creatives, creating different offers. All of these are things that actually move the needle and will help you reach your goals of finding that winning product or getting that winning store much quicker. So that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you took some value from it. Those are a few reasons why a majority of dropshippers fail once they get into the dropshipping space. Again, I hope you took some value from it and that you're actually going to implement some of the things that I talked about into this video into your dropshipping journey. Anyways, I would greatly appreciate it if you can go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And also, if you're a beginner out there that's still struggling with your dropshipping business and you need someone to literally hold your hand through the entire process and help you get the results that you deserve, feel free to go down to the description and fill out the application for my one-on-one coaching program. So I'm going to keep it real. Spots are limited. We don't accept everyone. We turn down so many people weekly for this program, and it's because we need a specific type of person in our program. We need somebody who's a go-getter, somebody who's willing to put in the work and isn't going to make excuses. So if that sounds like you and you want to work with me one-on-one, feel free, again, go down to the description, fill out the application for my one-on-one coaching program. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.